Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and fix your WhatsApp contacts not showing on iPhone problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead and start our video. For the matter, the first thing would be simply going to the setting app of your mobile phone. Now once you're here in this section, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead, go back first, again go back, and simply gonna go up and simply tap on this option called privacy and security below. Once you have tapped on it, you're gonna find this kind of interface, right? And here in the section you can see this contacts option. Simply go ahead, tap on this, and now here you have to make sure in the WhatsApp listed, if this is simply turned off, then your WhatsApp contacts won't show, right? So make sure if it's by default turned off, go ahead, tap on it and turn this on, and then you will be good, and that will be it. That is how you can solve it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be seeing you guys in our next video.